We will be going over study problem 5-9 right now. So we have an investor and she is told that should she invest $500 today, she can make $1,079.50 in roughly 10 years, in exactly 10 years to be honest. And the question is, what is her return on this investment? Well, let's try to first make sense of what's going on. Logically speaking, she's investing $500 now, and her investment is roughly doubling in 10 years. So just applying the rule of 72, we can kind of approximate an answer. And according to that rule, 72 divided by 10, which is 7.2%. So roughly we are guessing that roughly she should be making about 7 or probably 8% annually on her investment. But now let's get a more accurate answer. So I would like to directly use the financial calculator to solve this problem, and it would be pretty straightforward actually. We just use our typical keys here, N I over Y, PV, payment, and future value. We're investing for 10 years. That's what we want to learn, our rate of return on this investment. We are told that we initially invest $500. Don't forget to put the minus sign because we are giving away $500. This is a cash outflow, and in return we are promised to get back $1,079.50. This is a one-time payment we make initially, so this is not a stream of payment, therefore payments are 0. So we compute the I over Y, the rate of return on our investment, and as soon as we do that using our financial calculator, we get 8%. And that's kind of what we expected to begin with, right? So comparing this with our initial investigation, these are pretty close, so it gives us quite a few confidence that our calculation is correct actually. An alternative approach, because this is a single payment, would have been to use a financial calculator actually. A scientific calculator I meant to say. If you use the formula and your scientific calculator, so your formula here, well, in that case, we can either use the future value or the present value formula. It wouldn't change the result. So the future value, in our case, $1,079.50, would be equal to our initial investment, $500 times 1 plus the interest rate raised to the 10th power. And from here, we divide both sides of our equation by 500. This way we can get rid of the 500 here, and then we can take the 10th root of this. So therefore m subtract 1 ultimately. So I is equal to the 10th root of 1079.50 divided by 500 minus 1. So we calculate that, and this should come out as 8% as well. So that's an alternative way to solve this problem. But obviously, most of us would prefer directly using our financial calculator, which is very straightforward. That's why we have the calculator, because it makes our life significantly easier. And that would be all about this problem and its solution. So we are done.